of a Rubik's Cube Part 2. For solving the Rubik's Cube Part 2, I'm going to be showing you how to make a daisy. Now you have your scrambled Rubik's Cube here. How to make a daisy is this is a daisy. You want to put them on across like this, and this yellow piece in the middle. And then after that, tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to make a white cross. But what you want to do is to align the pieces of these. See, this is now aligned. You put this up, put this down, align it. See? We put this here, align it, boom. Now we have all them aligned. That's going to be it for today. I hope you guys learned the algorithm I said yesterday. And that's going to be it for part 2 of the series. Bye.